All right, what is going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and I just got my Saturn back from an oil change, and I think this is going to be the last time I have somebody change my oil, because every time I take it there, the overall amount seems to get bigger and bigger every time. So I mean, I'm sure it's the price of oil and stuff too, but yeah, I'm going to go back to doing it myself, even though it's kind of a pain in the ass. But in other news, looks like they said something. I needed a new battery. Where was the measurement? Oh yeah, right here. So I'm supposed to have 650 cold cranking amps, and I only have 335 apparently. I picked up a new battery, and I got one with a 3-year warranty. So hopefully this is going to do the trick here. Batteries are not cheap anymore, by the way, everybody. Batteries are not cheap. And let's start to take out the old one and put in the new one. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is filthy. Alrighty, batteries all installed. Now we can go ahead and scan this thing and see what codes pop up. And what we're going to use to scan this thing is my old red brick snap-on scanner. Alright, it's kind of hard to see, but saying battery voltage is low. We'll just see what happens. 2000. Saturn S series. Wait, what is it? S series. All right, let's see what the engine codes are. So it says no codes present. So that's kind of weird. All right, so literally when I unplugged this thing, turned off the car and restarted again, the code popped up right away. So this is just a evap vent control. I've had this code for probably a long time and I haven't done nothing with it. Maybe in the next video I'll figure out how to fix this problem. Well, I guess since we're doing a maintenance video, I got to replace a wiper blade on my truck. So I was in a snowstorm two days ago, and my wiper blade just exploded. Like, I think it got caught in something, but you know, I got another wiper blade here. It matches the one that's already on the truck, so we're just gonna replace it quick and call it a day. All right, I got the new wiper blade on. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.